Welcome back. In this video, we'll start learning about Cloud Firestore. Cloud Firestore is a NoSQL document database offered as part of Firebase, designed to store, synchronize, and query data for your applications in real time, making it a powerful tool for building scalable and responsive applications. Cloud Firestore is document-oriented, meaning data is organized into collections and documents. Each document is a JSON-like object containing key value pairs. And NoSQL, it's a NoSQL database, which means it provides flexibility in data modeling. You don't need to define a rigid schema in advance, allowing you to adapt your data structure as your app evolves. And real-time data sync, Cloud Firestore provides real-time data synchronization. When data changes in the database, clients connected to it receive updates in real time, making it ideal for building collaborative and interactive applications. In Firebase Firestore, data is organized into two main structures: documents and collections. Understanding these concepts is essential for effectively modeling and retrieving data in Firestore. Let's start understanding these concepts. The document. A document is the basic unit of data in Firestore. It's a set of key value pairs where each value is a field or attribute name, and each value can be various data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, maps, arrays, timestamps, and more. Documents are analogous to rows in traditional relational database, but they are schemaless, meaning each document within a collection can have different fields. Each document must have a unique identifier within its collection, typically called a document ID. You can either manually specify the document ID or Firestore can generate one for you. Documents are usually used to represent individual items or entities such as a user profile, a product, or a message. For example, this is a user, first name Jack, last Richard, born 1992. So the document represents a user. Have the following schema. A collection is a group of related documents. Collection can be thought of as containers or tables in which you organize your data. Each collection has a unique name within a Firestore database. Collections are analogous or similar to tables in traditional relational databases, but they are not required to have a fixed schema. You can nest collections within other collections, creating a hierarchical structure for your data. Collections are used to organize documents and provide a convenient way to query and retrieve data based on common criteria. For example, you might have a users collection to store profiles and messages collection to store chat messages. And for example, here we have the collection users to store the users, collection of users, first name, last name, and their born year. The second user in the same, John Travolta, 1982, and so on. So users is a collection and user number one is a document. Again, guys, documents within the same collection can have different fields, and collections are used to group related documents together. Firestore allows for rich querying of documents within a collection based on field values, making it easy to filter and retrieve data that meets specific criteria. When designing your Firestore data structure, it's crucial to consider your application's data access patterns, how you plan to query and retrieve data. Firestore's flexible data model allows you to adapt your database structure to fit the needs of your application as it evolves.